Good morning, children. Welcome back. Hope you all are fine and safe. In today's class, we are going to listen the summary of Chapter 5, Princess Pooh. It is a short story by Catherine M. Muldoon. This story is about two sisters, Penelope Piper, also called as Penny, and Patty Piper. Penny, the elder sister, was confined to a wheelchair, and her younger sister Patty is jealous of her and called her Princess Pooh, thinking that her sister was enjoying life like a princess on a throne. When the family goes shopping at the mall, Penelope sits on her wheelchair while her father wheels her around. Her mother carries her crutches, and Patty carries boxes whenever she goes shopping with her family at the mall. So Patty does not like her sister is given special treatment because of the wheelchair. According to Patty, all day long, Penny just sits on her throne and tells everybody what to do like a princess. Patty calls Penny as Princess Pooh and the wheelchair as her throne. Patty has not been able to go to summer camp because her parents have spent all the money on buying new braces for Penny. Braces means support for the weaker limbs of the body. One day, Patty goes out after dinner to find Penny reading a book in the hammock. Hammock means a bed made of strong cloth or rope which is hung between two trees. When she asks Penny to play with puppets, she gets no reply. Penny has fallen asleep and her wheelchair is empty. So Patty decides to sit on the throne and go for a ride, thinking that she will become princess for a day. She decides to go to princess school with Penny's chair. Trying to reach Penny's school in the wheelchair, she does not cross the street in time and is stuck in the middle of the road as traffic rushes past. People make fun of her and look at her differently as she crosses the road. Some boys are playing on the sidewalk, are amused to see her sitting on the wheelchair and make fun of her. Patty seems angry and she wants to beat up the boys who are making fun of her sitting on the wheelchair. Just as she reaches the school, it begins to rain. The wheelchair gets stuck in the mud, and when Patty gets off the wheelchair and tries to push it, she also gets her feet stuck in the mud. The rain stops as she crosses the field. She sees her parents looking for her. She thinks they are searching for Penny's chair, but soon realizes that they are grateful to see her back. When she goes to them ready to be scolded for the wheelchair, she realizes that they are worried about her and not the wheelchair. This shows Patty's parents are very concerned and responsible parents. They treat both their daughters as equals. Now that she has understood the difficulties attached to the wheelchair, Patty realized that it is not an easy task to sit on the wheelchair all day. It is difficult to perform even daily activities while sitting on the wheelchair. Patty was never unkind to her sister again after a day on the throne. She experienced the difficulties that Penny went through every day. She realized that her sister's life was not easy and she wasn't a princess after all. However, she is always smiling and finding ways to be happy. She changes her attitude towards her sister and decides that she is no longer Princess Pooh but just her sister Penelope Piper. So, this story teaches us to appreciate people with disabilities. You can also see the importance of empathizing with all differently able persons. Life is difficult if we cannot do basic things such as walk or stand up without support. So instead of pitying or making fun at or staring at people on wheelchairs, we must be kind and sympathetic towards their situation and be friends with them. So, children, hope you have understood the summary of this chapter. While reading, you will find out how the little girl Patty realizes that she was mistaken her sister Penny. Children, you must read this chapter carefully and complete your work. Thank you.